I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over better conversions with SMS and WhatsApp integration. What is WhatsApp? WhatsApp is a free mobile app that uses your phone's internet connection and lets you chat with other WhatsApp users without SMS text message charges. The app also lets you share files and images and supports free voice and video calls. SMS and WhatsApp can be used to follow up with your leads in a completely different way. WhatsApp has a 70% open rate, where SMS has a massive 90% open rate. But be careful when using these tools, as they are very intrusive. If you send out tons of messages on WhatsApp and tons of SMS messages, you could get your account shut down or your number blocked completely. Using MailingBoss, you can set a phone number field on an opt-in form. You can automatically transfer these phone numbers into the WhatsApp and SMS tools inside Builderall, automatically following up with the leads once they put their details in. If someone signs up for a webinar or signs up on one of your opt-in forms, you can send reminders for the webinar and follow-up messages through WhatsApp and SMS. Why should you use WhatsApp and SMS for business? So like I said before, SMS has a whopping 90% open rate and WhatsApp has a 70% open rate. There's more than 60 billion messages sent through WhatsApp every single day. What's quite surprising is users of WhatsApp are willing to engage with businesses. According to a recent survey, 67% of mobile messaging app users said they expect to use chat more for communicating with businesses over the next 2 years. And over 50% said they're more likely to shop with a business they can message with directly. WhatsApp groups are also a really good place to drive conversions. A number of people have opted in for WhatsApp groups for engagement and support instead of Facebook groups. We're going to jump onto the Builderall website now so I can show you the SMS and WhatsApp integrations. Now on the SMS tool for Builderall. And before you get started, you need to buy credits. So once you've bought credits, you can view the SMS pricing table. It shows you how much it costs per text message sent out. You have the country code here, the country here, and then the abbreviated country code here. And once you've figured out how much it's going to cost, you can go to send SMS. Once you've figured out how much it's going to cost, you can come and add people to send messages to. And then you can come to SMS and start sending SMS messages. Again, remember to be sparing with this. Don't oversend, because mobile phones, WhatsApp and SMS, it's very intrusive. Any kind of mobile phone marketing is very intrusive. And here we have the Builderall app. So the Builderall app uses WhatsApp to send out messages to other WhatsApp users. First, you need to verify your number, verify and authenticate. Then you can enter the number, enter the message and send. And if you come to Messenger, you can send out mass messages. And there's a warning here: if you send out too many messages and unsolicited messages, you risk your account being banned. Again, use this sparingly, don't abuse it, and only send messages to people who have opted in and agreed to receive messages from you. As you can see, SMS and WhatsApp is a really powerful marketing tool, and you can use it to increase your conversion for your affiliate products. In this video we went over using SMS and WhatsApp